unahin na nila ako, pati kay Sarah. Make it a priority. And COA should come up with a public statement to this challenge. I am not asking you, COA. I am challenging you to initiate the opening of all records of the government, especially the finance side of it. Sana ninyo para malaman natin. Or I will go to the Supreme Court or on the Ombudsman. Sabihin ko sa inyo, Ombudsman, kindly tell them that there is a constitutional mandate there. And there is a Filipino citizen asking to be guided by what the books are all about the finances of the government.
Yes, Mayor. So it's not only we, the Congress, but we, the people. Because we are taxpayers also. Thank you po, Mayor.
Pastor, second thought ko, magtagal tayo dito. Wala namang kwenta talaga ito. The last ano niyan is, there was a criticism, there was an outcry in Congress, naturally, itong mga as institution daw, tapos also criticizing me, then now, mayroon tayong third, opening up. Wag na tayong magdebate. Just open the book. No more talk. Show us where the money is and how it was spent. By all.
By all.
Kami, ako, Congress. Makikita ninyo, my dear countrymen, makikita ninyo and to the horror of the military na kulang-kulang ang pera. Putang ina. Pati yung pensyon ninyo na binigay ko, ay yung pera ko, sildo ninyo, dinoble ko. Ngayon kunin pa. Para sa pensyon ninyo. Ayaw magbigay. Iba yung pensyon. Hindi yung pera na kukunin nyo ngayon. Ito mga taga-gobyerno. What are you with the money? It's not part of them. It's their own money. Pera na ng tao yan. Dublado na. Huwag mong galawin. Galit ako. Hindi ako nagpapahiro sa military. Hindi rin ako nagpapahiro sa mga pulis. Kayong mga isa rin. Pero ibinigay ko yan kasi naawa ako sa mga tao. Nagpapakamatay para sa bayan natin. Wala naman kayong awa sa tinitingnan nyo.
Totoo yan.
Ako, hilingi ko sa military, hindi ano. A little pressure. Total, we are a democratic process. Everybody can exert pressure on government to do what is right and just, fair. Ganun lang. I'm not starting the military to revolt or kudita. Hindi yan. Siguro, pag nakita ninyo ngayon, if you now see how the money was spent wantonly by Congress, then maybe it's your decision. Tignan mo muna what the mess is all about. Hindi daw mag-udyok sa inyo o wala akong gawin. Parang baka makulong pa ako. Problema, makulong ako. Kayo pa ang magwardya sa akin. Loko na. Pero kayo, tignan ninyo how you suffered all these years and how Congress wallowed itself with the money of the people. Hindi lang ito ngayon. Pati yun sa panahon ko. But not that much. Villar was a very mayaman. And he was a sensible person. Yung iba, wala. Bahala kayo dyan. Basta tignan lang ninyo. Especially the military. Kasi ngayon, kukunin pa yung sildo na binigay ko na, kinukulit pang kunin uli. Na, binigay na yan, tapos kunin. Ito. Pero huwag ninyo akong sundin. Mainit kasi ulo ko. Ako lang.